Okay, fourth day, 5-day hit and run. There's my turtle spot. In about 3 months, those will be hatching out. Okay, let's take a walk. Can we talk about fourth day and what you should be experiencing? You should be a little confused. You should have a little brain fog. You should have a little headache, because during these times, your brain's being repaired and getting rid of senescent cells, which have accumulated in your brain. So that's pretty common. It's interesting. One of the reasons I take Resveratrol twice a week is because one 500 milligram dose of Resveratrol will activate NAD for 3 days. If you don't know what NAD is, NAD activates your sirtuins, because the way it works is Resveratrol nests on the sirtuin and allows it to synthesize the NAD that it needs for all of its work. And it really has a lot of work to do, especially when you're trying to fix any senescent cells that may be able to be retrieved. And that's kind of one of the benefits, because you have to have PARP and all these enzymes and base repair identification enzymes tell the system to fix this or fix that or get rid of it. That's what Fisetin's good for. Fisetin identifies what can be fixed and what can be thrown away. And that's kind of cool. So today is just kind of a fadey in and out kind of day. As you fix stuff, you got a lot of toxins in your body from all these dead cells. The water is going to help flush it out a little easier, so drink a little more water. And just, make sure you get the stem cell regen, because you want to get those macrophages to digest all these dead cells. And, it's kind of cool. It's the Phoenix protocol all over again. You got these cells that grind up these old cells into antigenic peptides and amino acids, which are used to make new cells. So it's all good, but that's just a tip. One of the reasons I take Resveratrol twice a week is just for that, because it increases my ability to create NAD on the sirtuins and the other stuff to clean up the genes. I mean, one thing is cool about this whole process is you're forcing your cells to replicate these senescent cells as a brand new cell. That's what the somatic cells do. They make brand new cells, duplicate cells. Now, during a dry fast, you get rid of senescent cells and you plug them in with brand new, completely genetically perfect cells, which is kind of cool. So today is just, I'll be honest, it's kind of wishy-washy kind of day, as the brain is dealing with all these metabolic changes and repair work and getting rid of the dead cells that are causing all the brain fogs generally. I mean, if you think about it, these SASPs are so inflammatory. These interleukins are so bad for cells around them that, you have a lot of cells in your brain that have thousands, tens of thousands of mitochondria. So you need to have stuff repaired or get out of the way as quick as you can. And this is one of the best techniques. Twice a year, I may bump it up to, twice a year. I don't know. Once a year is probably enough. Once a year in between your dry fast is probably enough. But again, it depends on your condition, depends on your age, depends on a lot of stuff. But I will tell you this, though, that if you start this process earlier than I am, I started in my late 60s to restore health, vigor, strength, all that stuff, and it's working. But if you start in your 30s and 40s, you may stay there in your 30s and 40s. I'm not sure. The book, A Philosophy of Time Travel, has a very interesting premise about aging and iron loading, possibly as another reason why cells go senescent, is from iron loading. But at least with this technique, you can get rid of them and get everything working again, get your normal cells back on a good balance compared to the damaged cells, and just keep going. So this morning I did my 3 Fisitins with butter. Just swallow it right down. and a stem cell regen, and I am off to the races. And so are you if you're traveling along with me on this journey. Anyway, so that's the deal. Please subscribe, like this video. Take it easy on yourself, because you only have yourself to call upon. I'm trying to teach people that they can be their best doctor, because only you know how you feel inside. Your doctor can't. Anyway, I love doctors. They're fantastic, great for catastrophic trauma and damages and sewing you up and accidents and stuff. Fantastic stuff. I think you can achieve an enormous amount of health just by the way you eat, the way you behave, the way you think. And the hit and run technique fixes what you think, because it takes care of the cells that are adding chemicals that make you not think clearly. Anyway, that's kind of the message today. It's really kind of poopy out there. There's a little wave coming in. Maybe on my shortboard I could get that. Anyway, I gotta go back to the house and get things going in this day. I just wanted to step out and have a little talk with you guys and show you what's going on. Yeah, that ain't bad. Anyway, love you, take care, have a great day, and I will talk to you later.